Greetings to all, respected principal, respected secretary, my beloved professors and my dear Fatimites. It feels really great to be here once again, to be connected to Fatima College after 27 long years. I would like to thank the organizing committee of the Alumni Association for having invited me to share my views with you on this special occasion. My topic is Walk the Untrodden. I look at the word untrodden in two different ways. One is those ways untrodden by you as an individual, things that you have not done before. The other is those ways untrodden by the world in general. Every year we see new ideas coming up and ruling the world. Those ideas come from ordinary men and women like you and me. In my recent years of interaction with women in particular, I have found something. Most of them are quite unhappy with what they are, with what they do, and with what they have. Every time I come across such a person, I tell them, it is never too late to start something new. Among the women present here, there may be a few still not sure of following your heart's passion, still afraid to step into the unknown. I tell you this, take the first bold step. If it is a business that you want to start it now. If it is a new art that you want to learn and teach the others, learn it now. If it is a book that you want to write it now. The world is waiting to read it. Look at the success story of Harbhajan Kaur, who started making and selling sweets at the age of 94. Incredible. I'm simply inspired by these success stories. See, this is a real example of walking the untrodden. She had this long unfulfilled dream of earning money by herself. And then there was her passion on the other side, what she was good at, making burfis. Now her daughter helped her connect these two. And now here she is, a success story, Harbhajan Kaur, with a brand in her name, Harbhajan's, with a beautiful tagline, Bachpan ka yaad aa jayega. You will remember your childhood. When you eat those burfis, your childhood memories will come back to you. So you also will have your own precious, wonderful ideas hidden deep inside. Now is the time to wake them up from the deep slumber. There they are, the ideas, waiting to be awakened by some unseen force. Give them life now. Bring them up to the outside world. Let the world remember you for what you have done. Find your purpose. Discover your destiny. Chase your dream. Live your life. Whatever magic words we use, it is the same. Do it now. I wish you all success in your new endeavors. Thank you.